friends, welcome back to my channel HVAC for you. In this video, I am going to explore about different types of drawing used in MEP services. Friends, we will see how drawing is upgraded from one stage into another. These are the points of discussion. Phases of drawing in building services are conceptual drawing, working drawing, shop drawing, coordination drawing, and as-built drawing. Before moving to the first point, would like to discuss about what is drawing. It is said that visualization is the beauty of an engineer. An engineer visualizes things in his mind even before things are built. Ideas are implemented on a paper in the form of drawing. A drawing is the pictorial representation of an object. You can manufacture an object without drawing if it is in small scale, but for large scale drawings you definitely need drawing. Drawings are essential in order to understand shape, size, color and feel of an object. After that only manufacture starts. So this is the importance of drawing. Moving to the first point, conceptual drawing. In this stage, construction is not started yet. Builder has open plot only. Here let's assume that the builder is planning to build a shopping mall. Now he goes to an architect. Architect takes many inputs from the builder. For example, site location, square feet area, building application means residential, commercial or industrial, building orientation, shape and size, number of floors and most importantly budget. Because in the same square feet area, architect can build 5 crore building or 50 crore building. So finalization of budget is very important at the start of project. Once budget is fixed, architect starts making a conceptual drawing considering all the requirements of base builder. In our case, it is a shopping mall with 2 parking floors and ground, first, second and third floor. Building is designed assuming tentative locations of entrance and exit doors, staircases, lift lobbies, DG set, fire tank, AC unit location and other important factors. Initial design is sent for approval. After many rounds of discussion, one design is made final. Example are Now we will see what happens in the next phase of drawing. Working drawings. Budget is fixed, design is final, also all legal formalities related to construction works are done. Now it is time to start the work. In our drawing, all dimensions are indicated. Material specifications are given. Example, wall details, column details, room dimensions, section drawings are indicated. Construction work is done as per this drawing. Working drawings are also called as GFC drawing or good for construction drawing. Once building is ready, it is time for calling all service agencies. Building services include works related to furniture, interior, flooring, ceiling, plumbing, lighting and other electrical works, AC work, firefighting, security and public work, public addressing work, etc. These service agencies are asked to submit shop drawings. How shop drawings are prepared? We will discuss in the next phase of drawing. Shop drawing. Shop drawing is prepared by respective vendor or contractor. For installation purpose, shop drawings are useful because GFC drawing is only indicative. GFC drawing cannot be directly used for installation. What changes are made while converting GFC drawing into shop drawing? This can be understood with the example of AC work. Here is a GFC drawing received by architect. It is a small office provided with centralized AC. Outdoor unit is shown here. Indoors are shown in each room. Copper and drain pipe also shown. You see no details are given in this drawing. So you cannot give this drawing to your installation team. You first have to convert this drawing into shop drawing and take approval on that. Shop drawing can look like this. Here you see some changes are made in this drawing. Earlier, split AC was provided in workstation area, but now cassette AC is there for uniform distribution of air. Technically, rest seems okay. This is a scale drawings. Many details are added into this. Now after approval, this can be given to installation team. Same procedure is followed by other service agencies also. We will go to the next stage, coordination drawing. Once shop drawing is approved, installation work is started as per shop drawing. Architect collects soft copy of approved shop drawing from each vendor and superimpose all service drawing in one drawing. The drawing which contains all services in one single drawing is called coordination drawing. Architect sends this drawing to each vendor and asks to check if there is any clashes occurring. Sometimes what happens, fire pipe comes in the route of AC duct or electrical light and supply air diffuser are shown on same place or ceiling is up and duct coming down the ceiling. To avoid all such problems, coordination drawing is required. In this way, work is pushed on site. Next comes as-built drawing. Due to site constraints, work is not done as per approved shop drawing. On-site changes are made and anyhow site work is finished. At the time of handover, we have to present as-built drawing. As-built drawing tells what changes are made in shop drawing due to site constraints. This drawing is final, which is prepared as per execution done on site. Let's see previous example. This was our shop drawing. Installation is done as per this drawing. Earlier there was no fan in WC area, but later it was provided with propeller fan in window. This is shown in as-built drawing. As-built drawing is to be submitted along with handing over documents to the client. Also, as-built drawing is used by service team during service. So friends, these are the different stages of drawing. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Please like and share this video in your circle and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.